Hello guys, welcome back to our yet another Revit structure tutorial. So in this session we shall look at adding rebar by sketching rebar and adding area reinforcement. So kindly like, subscribe, share and turn on the notification bell icon to be able to motivate me to keep teaching structural design using BIM. So here we have our model. It is 3D, so we shall go the foundation view, zoom out. This is how our project appears. So we had already inserted rebar here. So to reposition rebar, you could just nudge it using your arrow keys on your keyboard. So here we could remove this rebar, nudge it into here. Or we could take it back and nudge it into that position. So we could follow suit with the same rebar here. Could select this rebar here, nudge it into this position. And you could now select this rebar, move it into here using the arrow keys on your keyboard to position your rebar. Still nudge it a little bit. Nudge it a little bit. So that's how our rebar appears. So now let's go to sketching rebar. So to sketch rebar, we shall come to the structure tab, rebar. Then we shall look for the placement style method. We shall opt for the sketch rebar. So the first, to activate sketch rebar, we have to activate the wall into which we have sketch rebar. So let's first select the wall. Then after selecting the wall, we see our drawing option. So we could use the line tool to draw our rebar. So we could choose the line tool. We could start from here, move down to here, then you can be able to finish it off here. So according to your designs, you'll be able to move your rebar into here. So after that, you could select its size, give it say 25. You could opt for 32. Then you press OK. So now our rebar has been inserted, and that's how it appears. So next you could select this rebar and you could mirror it the opposite direction. So you can select it. Then you could opt for pick mirror axis, then you pick this axis. So now you're able to position it in the other direction. So with this shape rebar, you can draw the rebar in any shape you want. So still selecting the rebar, you could edit the layout in this rebar set. So you could put it to maximum spacing. Then you could be able to edit the distance to 150 millimeters for it to appear in the project. Then still selecting the rebar, when you change, looking at this bend here, when you're able to change the sizes of the rebar, Revit will be able to calculate for you the bend size as it appears. So every rebar type you insert, Revit will be able to calculate for you that bend. So you could edit the view visibility states of the rebar. Edit from here, so that it only appears in that fitting view, so that does not appear in other views. Shouldn't appear in the 3D view, so don't appear in that view. that make our project clean. Okay. Then also it has handles, so you could able to stretch these handles to move it or to reposition it properly. Also use these handles to control its sizes. Similar to this side, you could also be able to use these handles to position it properly into your section view. So that's how we add rebar by sketching. So next we shall look at adding area reinforcement. So going to our story 2 floor plan, we like to add our area reinforcement to this slab. So on the structure tab, the reinforcement palette, we have the area icon. So enabling the area icon, you could be able to select the edges of this slab. So after selecting the edges of the slab, you could be able to edit some properties here. So the layout rule, we shall go with maximum spacing. And we could continue down. Then layers, top major direction, top minor direction, and bottom major direction. You could enable this or this, so we could disable this and these two. We could disable bottom major direction and bottom minor direction. Then we could apply our changes. So after applying these changes, we can use the pick lines tool to pick lines where we shall apply our area reinforcement. So we could come over inside to pick the line of the slab. So after that, we could be able to finish it off. So on finishing it off, we can pick these slab direction edges, and we can delete them if we don't want them into our plan. So now we can go to our section view to be able to view the reinforcement we've added. It seems like we deleted it. Let's undo. So yes, so here is our reinforcement which we've added. So we had to undo the delete. We had deleted it by mistake. So this is how our reinforcement will appear. So you can click on it, and you could use the properties palette to edit type the parameters. So that is how we add area reinforcement into our project. So for now, it's a bye. See you in our next session.